Hubsan X4 Pro looks as other aircraft, but its design is more personalized. In operation, there are normal mode and expert mode. For beginners, they just need to set up the waypoint, the altitude, the flying track, the set sight in the transmitter tablet, then press the start button. The X4 Pro can fly accordingly. You just need 5 minutes to learn the operation. It is as easy as iPhone and iPad. For experts who have a lot of experience in operating UAV, can be easily satisfied when you enter into the manual mode. Users can control the gimbal through the two-side rotary switches on the transmitter. Slip the switch, the gimbal can rotate accordingly. The window size on the screen is adjustable so that you can watch the video and the waypoint at the same time. When in flight, you can random switch into manual mode. Leave the previous waypoint and go to new site for shooting even when you have settled the waypoints. Then, you can switch to automatic mode and return to the previous waypoints. The previous waypoint can be saved in the transmitter so that you can go to the same site for shooting and avoid setting it again. In safety, our engineers take deeper consideration. At first, the transmitter has a dual system. If the Android system broken or when the transmitter crashed or go dark screen, the users can still see the data from the OLED to see the values of the X4 Pro and judge the X4 Pro's condition to decide whether the X4 Pro should land immediately or start the RTH system. Secondly, it is our escape system. The power of the parachute is standalone, which means even when the X4 Pro LiPo battery power running out, the parachute can still work. There is an inner sensor inside the parachute. When the X4 Pro goes abnormal, the sensor will detect it and work immediately, commanding the parachute to open automatically so that the X4 Pro can land safely to avoid causing damages.